Hello my friend, welcome back to the channel. You could congratulate me, I finally bought a camera. And I already find a client on Upwork to make a filming for him. I'll make a separate video on the topic, but today I want to talk with you about Upwork and how to get your first client. Let me just put it back. So what's the difference between find your first client and find your wherever client? First client is harder because your page is kinda not trustworthy, you don't have reviews or you have not enough reviews, because not need to think that if you will get your first review, you will become trustworthy for all the clients. In my opinion, your profile become trustworthy somewhere after 8-10 reviews. After that amount of reviews, you could start to dictate your terms. But before that, you have to be a little bit flexible in your terms of work. If we are talking about your very first review, very first client, I would recommend you just to ask your friend to do it. So basically you approach your friend, you tell him, man, I could make you small work for just $5-10, but the only one thing you should to order it via Upwork and leave a review. That's how I did on my profile. I just told to my friend, man, I could make you a small video for just $5, but you have to order via Upwork. And after that, we could start to find actual clients. In this video, as always, I will share with you my own experience and will show you a few of my first clients. Basically, there are 3 things that I would recommend you when you're looking for your first client. The first one is being more specific. Let me show you. What do I mean by saying being more specific? For example, I'm a video editor, and if I will write here just video editing, I will find a lot of jobs. Yeah, that's true. But imagine every single video editor doing the same. The difference between you and them that you don't have any reviews and you're not trustworthy for the clients. So what I recommend to do is not just write video editing, for example, write video editing subtitles. For example, it will be less jobs, but also it could be less competitive on such jobs. And to show you an example, it was one of my first clients, I think the third one or something. Transcribe and edit video. Basically I was looking like video editing subtitles, and you see here subtitles, so that's why I found that job. Urgently needed. We need someone to transcribe and edit videos for us on irregular basis. Right now we just have a few videos, blah blah blah. I wrote, hi, I'm professional video editor. I wasn't. Using Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll provide you with a great subtitles, transcription, and as a bonus, nice thing actually to also offer a bonus, which maybe you will be anyway, even not as a bonus, but it's nice to mention that you will give some bonus. I could also make some color correction work on your videos. Feel free to ask any questions. Very short, without much information. Hi Pavel, thank you for proposal, blah blah blah. We already find someone, but we need someone else to do another thing, and they have amazing budget of $10. As for the first orders, I didn't care much about money because I wanted to have a bit of reviews and then a little bit of chat, and basically it was one of the first clients and I received review from them. Pavel was very patient and welcomed feedback. He adjusted promptly and with the fast turnaround. He was creative and came up with a great design options. Actually it was super annoying and I spent almost whole day just on one $10 project. It wasn't pleasant for me actually, but at least I got a review. So the second point is to use your unfair advantages. What does it mean? Mostly I'm talking about the language. I will show it to you on my example. I speak Russian, I speak Portuguese. So I already could find the clients who are looking for Russian speaking or Portuguese speaking freelancers. It is kind of related to the previous point, which is being more specific. So basically you just write in a search box, for example, if you video editor, Russian speaking, or video editor, Portuguese language. Such jobs are not that frequent, but the competition on those jobs are pretty low. Let me just show you some examples of the previous jobs. And for the point of unfair advantages, I will show you 2 projects. So the first one, ask my girlfriend to marry me video. Hello, I need a video editor who understands Portuguese. For a spatial video, I will need color grading, music, delay 2 days delivery, budget $30. Basically the point is, the guy wanted to make a proposal and he paid to some actors who were nearby, and basically he made a nice proposal. He recorded it and he wanted everything to be edited. So I wrote to him, hey there, it's a really nice idea, like about that proposal. I'll be glad to help you realize your proposal. The funny thing, the guy wasn't the client actually, he was also freelancer who took orders for a big price and delegated those orders for a less price. Actually I was working with him for a while and I farmed a lot of reviews from him. So for me it was perfect. I was just making video one after another for him It wasn't a good price for me, but at least for each video I received a feedback from him, plus one review. So for me it was super nice. I'm a professional video editor. I wasn't. And now living in Portugal. I'm good at color adjusting and could write some music for your video. I was doing that back in the days. If you have any questions, feel free to ask Pavel. Hi, do you speak Portuguese? Exactly, that was important for him. Yes. Can I saw the footage? He just described me everything again. Want to check all the footage, ask questions, and I thought let's clear up, and then I mirror it. That's the thing that I really recommend to do. You just making sure that you understood everything right, and also to make that partly on his responsibility. So later on you will avoid some problems if you do that. He asked me, can I do it for one day? I told him like, I don't think so. If I will do it in one day, it would be not good quality, but he offered me $5 more. I could try to do this as fast as possible, but couldn't make 100 promises. Okay, do your best. I did that order and I received nice review. This guy just top of the notch, perfect video editing for a special moment, thank you so much. So nice. And another example, looking for a Russian-speaking video audio editor who would help to create a few promotional videos, presentations, using the pictures and videos available. $65, alright. And then I just wrote him cover letter on Russian language, saying that I will do everything nice and cool. And then some conversation, he gave me a few videos to do and left me a nice review after that. This young gentleman has surprised all my expectations by his talent and professionalism. Nice. And one more video in portfolio. And last but not least, I'm trying right now to avoid such type of clients, but it works really well when you don't have much reviews or you don't have much experience. It's an urgent work. So when the client wants to work be done as soon as possible, super quickly, very rapid, this is a great opportunity for us to jump in because client not being very selective. He just need work to be done as soon as possible. So what we need to do is just to write very short and sharp cover letter and send it as soon as possible. And be online and ready to answer because the client will choose throughout the people who have fast response. And same as with previous points, I will show you an example. We are looking for a video editor so we can create 1-minute video based on some short videos we have already filmed. The max of video, blah blah blah. Important. We need it before next Monday, 29th, 3 p.m. Berlin time. And that was posted in 25th. So they had 4 days, even 3 days to find the person and then make the video done. $35. Hello, I already read your demands. And I want to take care of your project, make it cool, high quality, optimized and well edited. It will take not more than 1-3 days, so until 29th you will already have a final variant of the video. And then she answered me with, hello Pavel, I read your offer and it would be nice to work with you, blah blah blah, and you have time to send us a first version during tomorrow or Saturday, so before Monday we have everything more or less under control. That would be great, Carolina. Yes, I could. And basically just took the details, we started the contract, and at the end I receive... By the way, that was my, that one from my friend, and that one was my actually first review. Pavel did his job fast and efficiently, communication was easy, and he took into account all our feedback to arrive at the final result that we wanted. We were very satisfied with the result. I would hire him again. That never happened, but for me it was a pleasure to work with them actually. So if you see that someone needs work done urgently, you could jump in, of course, if you have enough time. I am currently looking for the client and I'm record how I'm doing this, how I'm writing cover letters and how I choose the clients. So very soon you will get the video about it. Do not miss out on that thing, subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed or it was helpful for you, and see you on the next one.